We are excited to take a few minutes and show our customers the steps it takes to bring a cut edge on a piece of stone to a high polish, suitable for use in your kitchen or bathroom. At Viking, safety is always at the forefront of everything we do. Therefore, all fabrication of natural stone and engineered quartz is completed using flowing water. To start the process, our polisher feels the edge of the stone to determine its condition. The stone should be generally flat, with some textural differences and minor high spots or roughness from the cut. Starting with the number 1 pad, the polisher will move the tool back and forth across the surface of the edge, stopping periodically to feel for progress. When the rough spots have been eliminated, change to pad 2. Repeat the process until the stone edge feels smooth and slick. The tooling will no longer grip and there will be minimal friction or resistance. Then change to the 1000 grit sponge pad to begin the fine polish process. You will make several passes with the 1000 grit, then 3000, then 6000. Check the edge in between each changeover to ensure that the stone polish is improving between each step. Once the flat portion of the edge has reached an acceptable level of polish, return to pad 1 to create a chamfer or radius on the top corner of the stone. You will repeat pads 1 through 3 for this process, ensuring that the top corner finish matches both the surface of the stone and flat edge of the stone.